Finding a great smoker these days isn't hard. Finding one that's genuinely affordable, built like a tank, and super easy to use is a totally different story. But here it is. The Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Drum Smoker and Grill is our top pick for the best overall smoker you can buy right now. The very first thing you notice when you unbox Oklahoma Joe's gear is the sheer build quality. The Bronco is crafted from heavy gauge steel that lets you know right away it's built to last for decades. And while it isn't as thick as their massive Bronco Pro, this heavy steel construction definitely minimizes temperature swings. You can see from our infrared camera that there's notable hot spots on the exterior, but nowhere close to the temperature inside. As for the exterior, we really love the attention to detail. The main lid handle features a soft-touch rubber middle section that feels great in your hand. They moved the built-in thermometer down to the middle, right below the grilling grate. That gives you a vastly more accurate reading of the temperature right where your pork shoulder, brisket, or ribs will actually be sitting. Plus, they added a thick, heat-resistant gasket lining the rim of the lid, which does a wonderful job of trapping heat and smoke inside. You get 284 square inches of cooking space with dimensions of roughly 26 by 43 by 44 inches, on par for this style smoker around the $500 price point. By the way, you can sometimes grab it with free shipping too, but check the links below to verify. Now let's talk about the absolute best upgrade on this newer version. On the older Bronco, adding extra wood chunks or topping off charcoal during a long cook was a bit of a hassle. You couldn't easily play with the fire without disturbing your food. Oklahoma Joe's fixed that by adding a brand new fuel access door on the side. It's fully rimmed with a heat-resistant gasket so you don't lose your smoke seal. Now, there is a tiny learning curve with the door latch. You have to lift it up and push it back slightly to get a truly tight seal. But once you get the motion down, it locks up tight. It makes managing your fire during a 12-hour smoke effortless. You can throw in extra wood chunks, stir up your coals, or clear out ash whenever you want. Airflow control on this drum is another massive highlight. Instead of making you bend down to tweak dirty bottom vents, the air intake pipe curves up the side. It puts the control cap right up next to the top lid at waist height. Both the intake vent and the rear smokestack cap are made of thick stainless steel. They feature etched numbers and hash marks so you can dial in precise settings. They even added a raised lip on the caps so you can't accidentally overcrank them. Inside, the firebox system uses 4 separate pieces to maximize heat efficiency and smoke production. You get a porcelain-coated ash pan, a pan support, a charcoal grate, and a charcoal basket. You can configure them along with the included heat deflector in 3 different ways, depending on what you're cooking. That heavy heat deflector sits directly above your fire, radiating gentle heat while shielding your coals from dripping grease. They even upgraded the side shelves and mobility. The old version had an extruded shelf on one side that made skinny items like beer cans tip over. Now you get 2 sturdy flat metal side shelves with plenty of prep space. They also replaced the rustic steel wagon wheels with smooth rolling steel wheels wrapped in rubber. Moving this heavy beast across hard patio surfaces is much quieter and easier now. And if you like hanging meat, it still includes a full set of stainless steel hanging rods and meat hooks. You just pop off the top grate and you're ready to go. In our months of hands-on testing, the Bronco was an absolute rock star. It gets up to temp fast and stays locked in for hours with just minimal adjustments to the vent caps as the fire burns. It gives you pro-level barbecue, thick steel durability, and brilliant airflow control without a steep learning curve. If you want a sweet, smoky setup that will last for years, the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco is hands down the best charcoal smoker on the market.